Welcome to the HONOR Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to restore the SMS icon on the HONOR X5c Plus. The first thing to keep in mind is that you can't remove icons if you don't have app drawer enabled. But as you can see here, my messages icon is missing. First of all, look on your home screen, try to find it. If it's not there, it might be in your app drawer. Also look in folders. As you can see, the messages app is nowhere to be seen. So to fix that, just scroll to the top from the middle of your screen to open the app drawer. Within the app drawer, look for the messages app. It's sorted alphabetically, so it shouldn't take long to find. Then hold it down and drag and drop to your home screen. For example here. I have restored the messages app icon. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HONOR Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.